combination of the element earth and water. Does it not contain the other three elements what we see in nature? Yes, it is a combination of all the five great elements what we have in nature, but predominantly it is earth and water. A healthy food for a better evolution should contain the water element more than the earth element. More the earth element, it is difficult for the body to digest easily, and if it is easier also, it will not help in a greater evolution, because earth is at the lowest of the five elements. Next is the liquid, is the water. Only when we turn from a earth dependent food to a fluid dependent food, then we can go to air dependent, light dependent, and the cosmos dependent kind of food. It may be very astonishing to hear these kind of definitions for a food, but when we talk about physical component of food, we have to understand its essence inside, the purpose of creating food, the things what we have to keep in mind when we choose a food for a certain person is only very clear when we are understanding the complexity and the simplicity at the same time of nature, its plan and the evolution. When we go into the specific type of the combination of earth and water as food, a good food should be natural. There is no compromise or shortcut for it. Should be natural. What I mean by natural is everything what we make artificially is sometime taken from nature. Least alteration from nature is what we expect for a food to be very healthy. And a natural food should be pleasant to consume, even for a baby. A baby will not eat by the intellectual value of the food. A baby will eat only by the actual perception with the senses. Even for a baby, if it is very pleasant, naturally, that is a good food. A natural food which is very pleasant should also be grown locally, available easily, and should not be altered very much. That is a very good food. Additionally, we can also say if it has to be cooked, the least destructive cooking measures, the cooking methods are the best suitable for a food, for the food to make us very healthy, not to create diseases. That is how a food should be.